Hello guys, Squeaky, that's the cat. It is not our kitten, it's actually our neighbor's, but he's here pretty much, and he's trying to play with the tassel on my purse. No, stop it. We call him Mr. MJ Potatoes. It's a long story. Anyway, so I just wanted to show you guys a little haul that I have. I have bought canvases from, I went to Hobby Lobby, canvases, because I'm going to be painting and planning on selling this cat. I kid you not, sometimes you drive me nuts. You know that? You drive me nuts sometimes. Get off my case. So this is what I've been working on. I've been doing pink ones, but this one in particular is my other case that I just did a sample of the color. And then I bought this, and everything was 40% off, and the fabric was 25, but I think everything else was on sale. So I got this. I saw a video on YouTube where they used a stick and then used this kind of thing to make little brooms. So I want to make a banner because I went to Dollar Tree last year and I bought little hats, and I want to make a little banner. I bought these little canvases, which this is going to be part of my project that I'm going to be selling, with these easels, mini easels, to display them when I take pictures. And then I found these little buttons. These were the only ones that I saw. I have some pictures from last year for fall, Thanksgiving, so I'm planning on using that. I also got this, and it says Happy Fall, and there's 4 pieces. I guess I think different colors. Then Cat Move. And then I got these sunflowers. I can do it as a mini album. I found these little wooden embellishments. And then I also found these. And I think that was it, and I have the fabric next. So with the fabric, some of this is going to be masks and some of these are going to be bags. So I have this jersey type. My little nephew, he's 3 years old, and he likes to wear my sister-in-law's mask that I made her of Harry Potter, but I wanted to make him some for him. So I made, and it's really hard to find jersey colored fabric. Got this little rainbow one for my next door neighbor's daughter. She's young, so I decided I'm gonna do that and then make the bag with the rest of it. This is also one of my favorites, roses. And then I have this one, which is nutcrackers, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna make masks or bags. This one, which is fallish. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make bags or masks. And this one, I really think I am gonna make some masks with this one. So we'll see what I decide, whether bags, masks, or maybe both. I don't know yet. So anyways, that's my little haul. Hopefully I'll be able to work on my fall album soon, but I do have to get those pop sockets like these, but I have them in pink, and the paintings. Stop, cat. So anyways, I'm not a cat person, people, and this cat somehow just decided to come into our lives, and yeah, it's playful. Got him this little mouse. Here, play with that. Here. But yeah, no, it's right there. He's gonna stop. Alright guys, I will see you guys later. Say bye, MJ Potatoes. Alright, bye guys.